In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a live pricing page on CARRD.co. We'll keep this simple and clear. First, you'll build the pricing widget in Elfsight. Then you'll publish it to get the embed code. Finally, you'll open your CARRD site, go into edit mode, and add an embed element where the code will live. Once it's in place, any updates you make in Elfsight will instantly reflect on your CARRD page, which is what makes it a live pricing section. Start in Elfsight by creating your widget. Choose the pricing table or any widget that best fits how you want to present plans and features. Pick a template to get a head start and customize it to match your brand. Edit plan names, prices, feature lists, and button labels, and highlight the plan you want people to choose. Set your currency and billing periods, adjust colors and fonts, and check the built-in preview to make sure everything looks good on both desktop and mobile. Keep your descriptions concise so the table stays easy to scan. When you're happy with it, click Publish and copy the embed code Elfsight provides. You may see options like a script or an iframe. Both work. A script often adapts fluidly to the container, while an iframe gives you a fixed frame you can size yourself. Either way, copy the complete snippet exactly as provided so it loads correctly. Next, open your CARRD site and click Edit. This takes you into the visual builder where you can choose the exact spot you want your pricing to appear, maybe below your hero section or on a dedicated pricing page. Positioning it near your call to action generally improves conversions. Now click Add Element, then choose Embed. You'll see a field where the code goes. Paste the Elfsight embed snippet right there. If your embed element offers a type selector, use the option that lets you paste code directly. For sizing, set the width to fill the container so it looks seamless with your layout. If you used an iframe and it looks short, increase the height until the entire table is visible. On mobile, ensure it scales nicely. Most Elfsight widgets are responsive, so full width layouts usually look best. That's it. You've embedded a live pricing page on CARRD. From now on, when you update plans, prices, or styles in Elfsight and republish, the changes will appear automatically on your CARRD site without additional edits. If the embed doesn't display, double-check that you pasted the full code and note that some CARRD features, including custom embeds, may require a pro plan.